Hi friends, last time we have discussed about the thermodynamic process, that is heat added during the thermodynamic process, and before that we have discussed about the quasi-static and non-quasi-static process. That is, the quasi-static process is that process which occurs very slowly, that is, it occurs infinitesimally slowly, and in practice this quasi-static process is not possible because in every time the intermediate state maintain the thermodynamic equilibrium, so it is also called as the equilibrium process. And in case of the non-quasi-static process, that is, most of the process occurs in the form of non-quasi-static process because it is the non-equilibrium process. It is occurs at a finite time. It is occurs at a finite time, and it is a quickly process. Okay. So, in case of the thermodynamic process, two or more state variables. You know that, student. What is the state variable? That is a variable which describe the state of the thermodynamic system. For example, internal energy, entropy, pressure, volume, temperature, mass, density. It is of the state variable, and we have already discussed about the types of state variable, that is intensive, extensive. Okay, so in case of the thermodynamic process, two or more variables, state variables are changes. This type of the system, that is this type of the thermodynamic system, that in which the two or more state variables changes, it is the thermodynamic process. It is the thermodynamic process. And mainly pressure, volume, temperature, that is the state of the system mainly described by pressure, volume, temperature. In this time we mainly focus on the pressure, volume, temperature state variable, and so out of these three variables, two variables are varied and keeping one variable constant. यानी अगर थर्मोडायनेमिक मेनली हम थर्मोडायनेमिक स्टेट जो है सिस्टम की जो स्टेट है वो हम प्रेशर, वॉल्यूम, टेम्परेचर से क्या करते हैं, डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. और ये तीन जो स्टेट वेरिएबल है, इसमें से अगर दो वेरिएबल अगर वेरीज हुए तो एक वेरिएबल क्या रहेगा, कांस्टेंट रहेगा, और उस पे उसकी जो प्रोसेस की जो टाइप्स है वो क्या रहेगी, डिपेंड रहेंगी. टू वेरिएबल्स आर वेरीड कीपिंग वन वेरिएबल कांस्टेंट. Such a type of a process are called the thermodynamic process. Today we will learn our next article, that is the reversible and irreversible process. It is the another type of the thermodynamic process. That is, the thermodynamic process may be reversible or irreversible. It is indirectly quasi and non-quasi static process. So first we consider the reversible process. What is meant by reversible process? To explain the reversible process, we consider the familiar example of a gas cylinder. That is, the ideal gas confined with a cylinder provided the movable, massless, frictionless piston. This is the gas. It is the ideal gas confined with the cylinder or container. It is, suppose if we place the removable weight, on the piston, then if we remove the weight one by one in a small step, अगर हम ये जो वेट है, ये अगर वेट हम स्लोली अगर रिमूव अगर किए तो क्या होगा, पिस्टन मूव्स इन द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, पिस्टन ऊपर के डायरेक्शन में क्या होगा, मूव होगा, और पिस्टन ऊपर के डायरेक्शन में मूव होगा। इनिशियली इट्स प्रेशर P1 and V1, that is, it is the initial state. It is the initial state. P1, V1, it is the initial state variable of the system. When the weight removed at the constant temperature, assume the temperature constant, at constant temperature, that means the pressure and volume changes at the constant temperature. So it is the, when the piston moves in the upward direction, to gas expand isothermally, because the temperature is remain constant, isothermally expansion, and this isothermally expansion occurs very slowly, that is, the weight removed in a small step very slowly, so this state maintain the thermodynamic equilibrium. This state maintain the thermodynamic equilibrium in everywhere, that is, the intermediate state of the system maintain the thermodynamic equilibrium, and so we define the pressure and volume. We define the pressure and volume, because it is so, it is a reversible process, is a quasi-static process, because quasi-static processes also occurs in a slowly way. Okay, so this cylinder expanded isothermally when the weight removed step by step very slowly in another way, and so the cylinder occurs the final state, possesses the pressure volume, that is a P2 V2, pressure volume, that is P2 V2. And what is the picture of this cylinder? That is more space occupied, that is the volume increases, so more space point occupies than the before. So if this is the expansion, this is the isothermally expansion, if this weight is added again, this weight is added again slowly, अगर हम जो वेट हमने पहले निकाले वो अगर वेट हम अगर स्लोली क्या करेंगे, सिलेंडर पिस्टन पे ऐड करते जाएंगे वन बाय वन, तो क्या होगा, जो एक्सपांशन हुआ था वो अब क्या होगा, वॉल्यूम उसका क्या होगा, डिक्रीज होगा, यानी उसका क्या होगा, आइसोथर्मली कॉम्प्रेशन, क्या होगा, आइसोथर्मली कॉम्प्रेशन। और जो स्टेट बिफोर वो अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में मूव हुआ था पिस्टन, वही पिस्टन अब इनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में क्या होगा, मूव होगा, और गैस जो है वो क्या होगा, कॉम्प्रेस होगा। एंड ड्यूरिंग द कॉम्प्रेशन गैस also maintain the thermodynamic equilibrium as that maintain in the expansion process, as that maintain in the isothermal expansion process. So isothermally expansion process, it is the forward path, and in case of the isothermally compression, it is the reverse path, that is the path is remains same, initial state and final state remains same, path, that is the reverse path and forward direction is along the same path. And what is the picture of this reversible process of PV diagram? What is the picture of PV diagram of reversible process? That is, it is P, it is a V, and suppose it is A, it is the isothermally, and it is B, it is P1 corresponding to volume V1, and it is P2 corresponding to volume V2, अब आइसोथर्मली एक्सपांशन में क्या होगा, आइसोथर्मली एक्सपांशन में क्या होगा, वॉल्यूम क्या होगा, इंक्रीज होगा. सो डायरेक्शन ऑफ एरो इन द डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन, इट इज द फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन. और ये आइसोथर्मली एक्सपांशन में एवरी पॉइंट मेंटेन द थर्मोडायनेमिक इक्विलिब्रियम ऑन द पाथ. This point, it is maintain the equilibrium. It is called as the intermediate state. It is called as the intermediate state or path. It is called as the intermediate state or path. And in case of the isothermally compression, what happened? Same state, same process occurs in the reverse direction. In the reverse direction. So, for this isothermally compression, the arrow is in upward direction. That means the volume is decreases. That means the volume is decreases. So for isothermally expansion, the arrow shows in the forward direction, and for isothermally compression, the arrow shows in the reverse direction. In the reverse direction. So reversible process is that process in which the intermediate state can be traced in the opposite direction. Reversible process is that process. Is reversible process is that process. Is that process in which reversible process is that process. Reversible process is that process in which all the intermediate state, can be traced in opposite direction. In opposite direction, this is known as reversible process. It is the process, that process in which all the intermediate state can be traced or can be retraced in opposite direction. This is known as the reversible process. And for example, it is the isothermally expansion and isothermally compression occurs when it occurs infinitesimally slowly. Then it is acts as a reversible process. But in true sense of word, this reversible process may not be possible, because in all time, in all everywhere, the thermodynamic it may not be possible to maintain the thermodynamic equilibrium, to maintain the same state during the expansion and same state during the compression. So in case of the true sense of word, that is, the reversible process may not be possible. So generally most of this thermodynamic process can be irreversible. Most of the thermodynamic process can be irreversible. Most of the thermodynamic process are the irreversible. So this is the PV diagram for reversible process. And in case of the reversible process, for example, in a practical practice, the reversible process occurs in case of the ice melting of ice, freezing of water, boiling of water, condensation of steam. It may be a reversible process. Occurs in a practice. अगर हमारे पास बीकर है और वो बीकर में हमने आइस डाला है और वो बीकर को अगर हम हीट करें तो जो आइस जो है उसका कन्वर्शन वाटर में होगा, उसका कन्वर्शन वाटर में होगा. अब इट इज ice is converted into water, that is the phase transition. Ice is converted into water by supplying the heat. अब ये रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस कब होगी? जो वाटर जो कन्वर्ट हुआ है आइस का, वही वाटर से अगर जो हमने हीट सप्लाइड की है, वो सेम अमाउंट ऑफ हीट अगर रिमूव की, तो वो क्या होगा? आइस में क्या होगा? अगर कन्वर्ट हुआ तो इट इज अ रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस. But in a practically it may not be possible, because when we supplied the heat to the beaker, then beaker is also absorb the heat. So amount of heat absorbed by the beaker and it is given out by the beaker, it is the imbalance. It is not a balance, it is the imbalance. So हम वही हीट जो हमने सप्लाई की है वही हीट हम वाटर में से रिमूव नहीं कर सकते. इट इज नॉट अ पॉसिबल. इट इज अ रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस. बॉइलिंग ऑफ वाटर इज ऑल्सो द रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस. अगर हम वाटर को बॉइल की तो इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू इट इज प्रोड्यूसेस द स्टीम. और वही स्टीम को अगर कंडेंस किया तो वाटर में कन्वर्ट, वही जितना वाटर बॉइल हुआ उतनी स्टीम अगर हम कलेक्टेड किए और उतना अगर हमने उसको कन्वर्ट करने की कोशिश की, तो इट मे नॉट बी पॉसिबल. और अदर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस, अगर हमने कांच का ग्लास है, अगर हमने नीचे गिरा दिया, व्हेन वी ड्रॉप द glass of glass fall on the floor, then it is break into the large number of pieces, but these pieces is not collected and becomes the glass. वो ग्लास के जो पीसेस है वो अपने आप कलेक्टेड होके ग्लास नहीं बनेगा. इट इज द रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस. अगर हम एग्स ड्रॉप किए तो वो स्प्रेड हो जाएगा फ्लोर पे, वो फिर से एग्स नहीं बन सकता. दिस इज द रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस. सो इन मोस्ट ऑफ दिस प्रोसेस, when the reversible process occurs, when there is no loss of energy, there is no frictional forces, there is no dissipative forces occurs in the nature, then the process occurs in nature may be a reversible, but it is not possible. Everywhere the dissipative forces, frictional forces, or some energy loss in every process. So most of the process are the irreversible. Then another definition of the reversible process, the process which can be retraced, which can be retraced in opposite direction, which can be retraced in opposite direction, which can be retraced in opposite direction such that the process which can be retraced in opposite direction such that the system passes through exactly same condition. System passes through exactly same condition as that it does in a direct process. As that it does in direct process. As that it does in direct process. What is the second definition of the reversible process? The process which can be retraced in opposite direction such that system passes through exactly same condition as that it does in direct process. अगर आइसोथर्मल एक्सपांशन में जो सिस्टम की जो कंडीशन होगी, यानी जो उसका जो प्रेशर वॉल्यूम टेम्परेचर होगा वही प्रेशर वॉल्यूम टेम्परेचर सिस्टम ने आइसोथर्मल कंप्रेशन में भी क्या करना है, मेंटेन करना है। वही प्रोसेस को हम क्या बोलेंगे, रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस। बट मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रोसेस आर द इरिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस। सो we will discuss about the irreversible process. It is the opposite of the reversible process. Same. In case of the reversible process, the forward and reverse direction occurs, but in case of the irreversible process, it occurs only one direction. When the eggs drop on the floor, then it is the only one direction. But this spreading eggs bulk is not becomes to the eggs and it is restored in its original state. Means in case of the reversible process, the system restore in an initial state. And in case of the irreversible process, the system cannot be restored in initial state. Then what is the definition of the irreversible process? The process which cannot be retraced in opposite direction such that the system does not, only changes not or does not. System does not passes through exactly same condition as that does in direct process. This process is the irreversible process. This process is the irreversible process. रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए हमने क्या किया, जो वेट रिमूवेबल वेट है उसको वेरी वेरी स्लोली स्टेप बाय स्टेप हमने क्या किया, ऐड किया और रिमूव किया। अब वही वेट अगर हम क्विकली अगर क्या करेंगे, ऐड करेंगे और रिमूव करेंगे, तो दिस प्रोसेस इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू इरिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस। क्विकली रिमूव और ऐड करने से क्या होगा कि जो सिस्टम है, इट इज नॉट मेंटेन द प्रेशर वॉल्यूम टेम्परेचर, दैट इज द स्टेट वेरिएबल, नॉट मेंटेन द थर्मोडायनेमिक इक्विलिब्रियम। सो पिस्टन इज नॉट मेंटेन द थर्मोडायनेमिक इक्विलिब्रियम, दैट इज आइसोथर्मली एक्सपांशन और आइसोथर्मली कंप्रेशन, not possible. So it is the non-causative process. Irreversible process is the non-causative process because it occurs finite time. It occurs at a finite time. So it is a quickly process. It occurs as a quickly process. So what is the picture of the pressure volume diagram for irreversible process? In case of the reversible process, the same direction along this, that is the forward direction, and reverse direction along the same path. But in case of the irreversible process, that is the pressure volume, suppose it is the first, that is P1, P2, that is A, B, P2, V1, and that is V2. Okay, so in case of the irreversible process, it is not necessary to return the system in the same path. It is return different path. It may be written in a different path. So most of the irreversible process gives the direction of a thermodynamic process. So this irreversible process is also called as the one-way process. This irreversible process is also called as the one-way process, or it is also called as the unidirectional process. It is also called as the unidirectional process. And we have already definition the irreversible process. Okay, so what is the cause of irreversibility? What is the cause? Why most of the thermodynamic process are the irreversible, not reversible? Because in case of the most of the thermodynamic process in nature, which is occurs in nature, that is all times, for example, explosion of chemical reaction, free expansion of the gas are the example of irreversible process. And in that time, in the free expansion or chemical explosive reaction, we cannot eliminate the energy loss due to the friction or other dissipative forces, because the frictional forces or dissipative forces are present everywhere. We minimize it but cannot be totally eliminated. So this is the main cause of the irreversibility. So in nature, most of the process spontaneously irreversible process. The process which is spontaneously occurs in nature, it is a irreversible process. That is the conduction, convection, radiation, diffusion, reflection, refraction are the example of irreversible process. अगर फैमिलियर एग्जाम्पल इरिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस का, अगर गैस सिलेंडर से अगर गैस अगर लीक हो गया और वो किचन रूम में पूरा का सभी ऐसा स्प्रेड हो गया, द गैस स्प्रेड इन द किचन रूम, अब वही गैस हम दोबारा उस सिलेंडर में फिल कर सकते हैं एट द सेम प्रेशर, एट द सेम टेम्परेचर? It is not possible. So diffusion of the gas, free expansion of the gas are the example of irreversible process. But what is the assumption of this process? That is, in a case of the thermodynamic process, that is isothermally expansion, isothermally compression. In isothermally expansion, isothermally consumption are the quasi-static process, because it occurs very, very slowly. Except the adiabatic process. So most of the thermodynamic process in our discussion, most of the thermodynamic process are the quasi-static, that is the reversible. But reversible process is an idealized process. It is not possible in practically. So in daily life, in a true sense of word, the process are the irreversible. We have already